Good morning and may peace be with you. This statement is in relation to the attacks in Sri Lanka on Easter Sunday 2019. We would like to thank you all for coming and standing together in demonstrating peace and solidarity with us. We all condemn the horrific terrorist attacks that took place in Sri Lanka. The perpetrators were extremist, violent terrorists. Their murderous intention was to target innocent people in hotels and at their places of worship and on this sacred day, promoting extremism and division. Our thoughts, prayers and condolences are with those who lost their lives, were injured, and to all the families affected in this atrocity. We feel sadness for those who survived, as they will face living with the trauma for the rest of their lives. We deplore and condemn this inhumane taking of innocent lives. Let us stand together to oppose terrorism and the criminals that promote it. Let us also uphold and strengthen the unity of our society and work to ensure that it is a positive and harmonious one, where everyone can live safely and without fear. It is vital that we all work together to build bridges and positive relationships and to enable difficult issues to be resolved peacefully. We know that each time a terrorist attack occurs, certain groups within society become the target of verbal and physical abuse by those who mistakenly blame people for the actions of extremists. We must stand likewise against this. All of us bear a responsibility to go out of our way to build a common, peaceful society. We support the many people at this time in the country who are working for good community relations. We will now have a 1-minute silence, after which I will read a unity poem. Every morning on every news flash, I hear the sorrow of the world. Everybody's lost and scared, trying to make sense of it all. And as I travel to and fro, so many sad faces pass me by. I see lonely hearts living empty lives, just awaiting their time, as they drone their way through day and night. In the evening on the TV news, I see images of war. I see brother killing brother with no consequence at all. And while those who claim to be leaders sell us tales of deceit, but God alone knows in their hearts what they reveal and conceal. And while we call ourselves civilized, we go on killing human lives, too caught up in our own web of lies. Such different people from different lands, we're all descendants of the first man. We can be one nation facing one God, with no hatred, no envy, no war. Created equal are you and I. So if you want a solution, my friend, seize this moment, this day, before it ends. Oh, what a wonderful world this could be if we all opened our eyes to see. All that we need right now is to come together somewhere, somehow. I pray for our world and every child. I pray for our world to be filled with smiles, like the colours of a rainbow, not just black and white. I pray for our world to be filled with light. I pray for a brighter day to fight unhappiness away. I pray for all of us to choose the path that's right every day of our lives. I will now conclude with a prayer. Oh Lord, help us all to live peacefully together in spite of our differences in colour, race and religion, as we are all your creation. Let us unite all the people without war or injustice to create one happy world like you created in the beginning. Amen.